Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, the Honorable Dr. Pikir Wisnu Wijayanto, and all of my friends. Thank you for the opportunity given for me to present in fulfilling the assessment 3 English courses 3. First of all, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Tamara Luki Widodo. I'm a Diploma Information System student from Telkom University. In this presentation, I'm gonna to present my project entitled Design of Thematic Interactive Learning Media Application for Elementary School based on Android. Now, I will divide this presentation into 6 sections. First, abstract. Second, preliminary. Third, research method. Fourth, literature review. Fifth, use case diagram. And last, application implementation. Let us start from the first section, abstract. In 2013, the government issued a new learning curriculum. This curriculum is referred to as Kurtira's Curriculum 2013. In the curriculum, the government determines the delivery of thematic-based learning for children. Basically, thematic-based learning is learning where there is one theme that is several subjects combined. So that children can immediately learn the various lessons. The learning system will make children some like playing during training in each lesson. To facilitate this training process, thematic interactive learning media for children in elementary school based on Android is designed. Next, preliminary. In this implementation of 2013 curriculum, the teacher present practice question in the form of game students still using conventional methods such as using pieces of paper containing letters that will be selected by student and other game that use a variety of tools. This is quite difficult because the teacher must always prepare various materials and teaching aids to present question in the form of the game. Therefore, through technology that is currently developing, especially in the field of mobile, namely Android, an application is designed to present the practice question interactively to first grade elementary school students. This Android-based application provides a means for first grade elementary school students to practice solving practice question is more interactive, fun away and in playful smartphone, but keep pace with the 2013 curriculum. Students can interact and work directly on the practice question delivered by teacher. Then there is an application that are designed have several limitations, including first, the target user of application are first grade elementary school student. Second, media oriented to presentation of practice question for the first grade elementary school student. Three, the scope of application does not cover the delivery of material for student. Uh, Fourth, material is material that is in the scope of thematic material one learning one. And last, application only for offline use. Next, research method. The working method used in this application is waterfall method. The waterfall method is an orderly and sequentially method of software development from top to bottom. First, requirement. At this stage, it will be known that what kind of application needs prospective user will expect. To find out this need, it can be seen by making observation with the 2017 revised edition of the primary school first grade student manual and the 2017 revised edition of the primary school teacher manual for the 2017 revision system and software design. And second, design. Based on the specification of requirements that have been determined, a system design will be prepared that will assist in determining the hardware and system requirement and also help in defining the overall system architecture. The system design is in the form application views to be built, testing, integration, and system testing. And third, implementation. At this stage, the system is first developed in small programs called units, which are integrated in a later stage. Fourth, verification. Verification is all units developed in implementation stage are integrated into the system after testing by each unit. And last, operation and maintains. The final stage in the waterfall model, the finished software is run and maintained. Maintains, including fixing errors that are not found. In the previous step, improve the implementation of system unit and increase system service as new requirements. Next, literature review. First, curriculum 2013. The 2013 curriculum is a curriculum which is a continuation of the competency-based curriculum KBK development, which was developed in 2004, which includes competency in attitudes, knowledge, and skill, and integrated manner. Next and second, thematic learning. This learning model is an integrated learning model that uses a thematic approach as an integration of learning materials and activities. And three, learning media. Learning media is a tool for teaching and learning. Everything that can be used to stimulate touch, feeling, attention, and learning abilities or skills so as to encourage this learning process. Next, use case diagram. This is the use case diagram of the application made, divided into two, namely teacher and student. Teacher and student both start from the main menu and then go to login. Then hereafter, the teacher sets the question and teacher can see the score. Then the student do practice question and take the test. The student also can see the score. Next, application implementation. First, login page. In this the login page where student and teacher create account first, then login to the application first. Now, next, student homepage. This is a student homepage. Homepage for student. There is a menu of exercise, test, and score. Then this is exercise page. There are two types of exercise, including guessing letters and guessing numbers. Well, this is the page for guessing letter practice. There are various questions that can be done. If this is a page of for number guessing practice, there are also various questions that can be worked on. Finally, there is a page to see the score of the result of the question that have been worked on, score page. And the conclusion, learning media applications have been able to meet the needs of users to get interactive learning media. The interactive component use are sound component and image component. Application can also be used by first grades of elementary school who are the main user of this application. That's all I can present. Hopefully what I present can be of benefit. I apologize if there are still many mistakes during the presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.